Members, take a look at this stock, Dutch Bros. This is something I'm watching. I'm looking to get a position in. We're on the 1 year chart here. We have support at $50 per share. But if you want to really get nitpicky on this, 47.26 is where it bottomed out in April of 2025 during those Trump tariffs. So we have a little more headway down here, moving down to about 5% to reach this target. I'm going to be looking to dollar cost average in. Definitely do your own research if you're interested in making this trade. But if we can get that bounce just below $50, I'm going to look for that break, retest support, and then push higher. Around that $47 to $49 range is a trade that I will be looking at. Definitely let me know in the comments section below if you are interested. Dutch Bros has been selling off, and year to date, if you look at it, it's had a nasty sell off from $86 all the way down to $50, which is a 42% pullback. For me, that makes me interested looking at the lifetime of this stock, where it had that initial pump from $32 up to $81, and then look, rejected $86, pulling back to earth here at $50 per share. Good starting point for me. Starting to dollar cost average in. Would love to see this. If it does break below this $47, stop loss is set there. Could see potential for $42 per share as well. But for me, this is a great entry opportunity on the 1 year chart. We can see that we are 27 on the RSI. So I want to see, will we get a bounce here? Let me know in the comments section below what you think about this trade.